Hey guys, this is Greg from On Target Airsoft. We're here to unbox the B28A shotgun made by Bravo. Basically, it's just a simple spring-powered shotgun. It's a tri-burst, so you get 3 coming out at once. It's very nice for shotguns. A lot of spring ones just have the 1 coming out, so this gives you a little bit of a spread. It's pretty easy to load. Basically, you just got a shell here. Grab your handy-dandy little speed loader and pump them in. Undo your latch, load it in, and fire. These things will typically chrono right around the 350 mark. They're kind of hard to chrono because of that tri-burst. Chronos will give all sorts of crazy readings. We just chronoed one before, and it was reading about 850 down to 300, down up to 550. So it gives you all sorts of crazy readings, but that's about how hard it will hit. But they're a nice, cheap spring option for you.
Now it's time for a durability test.
Alright, as you can see, we've got a couple little scratches here and there, but all in all, it looks pretty good. Let's test fire this guy.